Join me today as we take a look at this stunning Victorian home in Belvidere Township, New Jersey. This home is listed at $584,000, so that's quite a deal if you ask me for a house like this. It has 5 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and this house was built in 1869. Now, some of these first pictures aren't the best pictures ever, but later the pictures do get a little bit better. But I can't believe the price on this house. It's absolutely stunning. This home sits on a little over an acre of land. I really love the mature trees around this house. It gives it such a romantic feel to it. Oh, I just love it. Now, the listing did not provide the square footage of this house. I'm not really sure why, but as you know, in every house that I do, the listing is in the description. They are calling the design of this house Italianate, not Victorian Italianate, so I'm not sure which it is. Hope you have enjoyed this beautiful property as much as I have. To me, this is something out of a fairy tale. I love this style home. So it was built in the Victorian era, but if you have a bougie house that you would like me to feature on this channel, please send me an email. My email is in the description. And if you like this video and want to see more homes like this, please hit that like and subscribe and leave me a comment. And as always, thank you for watching.